Liquids. In this module, you will learn about liquids. Today it's a rainy day. Sid is enjoying the rain. Let's join him. What are you doing, Sid?
Mama, I just love the rain. See, I'm trying to hold the raindrops in my hands, but they just slip away.
Oh, Sid, you can't hold water in your hands as it has a tendency to flow. Kids, like water, there are many other things such as milk, juice and oil that have a tendency to flow. All these things are liquids. All liquids flow from a higher level to a lower level, and due to their ability to flow, they are also called fluids. Since liquids flow, they are kept in containers. Moreover, we can pour them from one container to the other. Now, look at the water kept in the glass. What is the shape of the water? Of course, same as the shape of the glass. Suppose this water is poured into a jug. What is the shape of the water now? Well, the water has the shape of the jug now. So kids, water and all other liquids take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. They do not have a fixed shape. Now, look at this bottle full of water. Suppose the water from the bottle is poured to another bottle which is almost double in size. As you can see, the bigger bottle is almost half empty. This is because a given amount of water or any other liquid occupies a definite space, irrespective of the space available in the container in which it is kept. So kids, liquids have a fixed volume. Let's recap. Liquids flow from a higher level to a lower level. Liquids do not have fixed shape. Liquids have a fixed volume.